Today's video regarding HP NY6052 printer. I'm going to show you how to replace the ink cartridge of this printer. Now the first step is to switch on the printer, so press the power button. Once your printer is on, we just open the ink cartridge chamber door. So lift it from here slowly and it will hold itself. Now wait for the ink cartridges to move here, and there are lock on the top, so just move them and it will unlock the ink cartridges, and you can just simply take them out. And to install the new ink cartridge, just take them out of the packet and place them here. The black will go here, so this is the black number 67, and close it with the lock, and place the pink here and close it with the lock, and simply press the door down. It will lock, and we have just replaced it. Thanks for watching.